Hello, I hope everybody's doing well. It's kind of a crazy time right now with the COVID, and I hope you're feeling fine and staying safe. What I'm going to do today is just do another short how-to video, if you will. I'm here today. I'm going to paint the calipers on my car, and you're saying, well, they don't look too bad. Why are you doing it? Well, this is how they look now after I have scuffed them up, and they you're right, they don't really look bad now, but they looked horrible before this. So what I did was I chose silver because my rear calipers were recently replaced, and they look great. I'm not going to show you those. Just trust me, they look good. So I wanted to keep more of a factory look, a subdued original equipment look, if you will. I was looking on a blog on the internet trying to pick a color, and I saw a comment that really got me thinking, and it said if you're not Italian or you don't have a high sense of fashion, if your car is not Italian, I mean, then yellow or red probably isn't the color that you want to go with. So I did pick more of a factory stock silver, and you can see I've got kind of stage one here. I've got them taped up. I spent about 45 to 50 seconds on each side taping them up. And the paint that I'm going to use with this, I used a different brand before, and it frankly lasted a long time. But I used this G2 brand. There's the logo. This paint is readily available on eBay. The price is a little higher now. It's about $60, I think, for the kit. It might be a little less, free shipping. But the reason I picked this kit, I've got a little bit of a shadow here with the sun. Today it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day to do this. So that box is empty. They give you the can it's a degreaser, and then there's the paint. This can's about half full, and it has an activator, and this particular kit is going to have a nice shiny high gloss to it. The paint that I used on the calipers now had more of a dull finish, and it frankly didn't clean up real well. And I think this gloss finish is going to clean up a lot better, and it's going to look better. Let's face it, none of us have time to wash our cars like we used to. We drive them through the spray off wash for 10, 12, $15, whichever wash you pick. But I think it's going to clean up a lot better. A tip I'll give you with this kit, just follow the instructions. They are super, super simple. Frankly, the hardest part of this whole job is having access to a floor jack and jack stands that we are using here to stay safe. You do not want to do this on one of those roll-up ramps or just leave it up on a jack stand. You never, never, never want to do that, especially if it's an older jack. So back to the kit here. They do give you a handy popsicle stick to mix your paint with it, and then this is the brush that they give you. And frankly, I would use this to clean the dust off your keyboard maybe, but let's just get rid of that thing. Go to the hardware store, and I don't know what I paid for this, $6 or $7, but it's a 1-inch, like a trim brush. You can see it's angled, and it's just going to make a much better job. We'll do 2 coats of this. I don't know how to edit, so I'm going to do one video. I'm going to come back tomorrow and show you the finished product, probably even after I've put the wheels on it. So I'm done rambling for today. Trust me, I have about an hour in this process to here. I'll have about another 30 minutes in painting. This is just a perfect Saturday afternoon project. See you at the next video.